how to grow raspberries. You can grow raspberries from little stem like these. This is a stem of raspberry right here, and they sell, you can get it from the store. They sell little stems of raspberries like this that you can buy, and then you just come and plant it. All you do is plant it like you plant any regular tree or plant, and once you just dig a hole and plant it. All you need to do is just water it for a couple of days. Once the roots catch up the ground and start germinating, that's all you have to do, and you get raspberries. So raspberries start growing, and raspberries usually grow and start producing, depending on how soon you put it into the ground. Some start producing that same year, but most of them the next year they should start producing. Like these ones over here, as you can see, every year these ones come out. It's the same thing. They just come up from the ground and just grow about 4 or 5 feet and just start producing raspberries. So at the end of the season, you're gonna see dry stems like these. You can just leave the dry stems like these ones. This is from last year. You can leave the dry stem. Some might still come out of it, or you can cut it down, but the next year it's still gonna come out. So I just leave it because some of them are still able to produce little branches like this one that might produce raspberries. So all you just need to do is make sure that you feed it once or twice a year, and that's it. It's gonna produce raspberries as regular as every year. You're gonna have raspberries, and you're gonna be able to harvest raspberries. Once a year or once or twice a year, I put some just regular compost at the bottom of it, or manure or fertilizer, and that is it. It produces raspberries every year. So raspberries are one of the easiest things to fruits to grow. It's very easy. All you need to do is you can buy the raspberry plant from the store and plant it, or you can just get raspberry seeds like this. That's really ripe, and just sprinkle them in an area, and they will come out, and you get raspberries. So I planted like 1 or 2 stems over here, and now I have more than 50 stems. Every time the seeds drop on the ground, the seeds germinate and keeps giving you more raspberries, and the roots keep spreading and spreading. So every year you get raspberries. Every year you get raspberries once you plant raspberries. So they are very easy to grow, and they are very, very delicious. So as you see here, we have raspberries. All you just need to do is plant it and have something to support it. I have a little trellis over here that's holding the grapes up, and they just lie on top of the grapes, and they also do well. So it's 2 ripes. Okay, like that. Oops, sorry. Get raspberries everywhere, and you can harvest it like every day. You're gonna have raspberries nearly every day. We're gonna harvest some raspberries. Here I have my raspberries mixed up with the grapes. The grapes are not yet ready, but the raspberries are ready. So we're gonna harvest the raspberries today, and they are very, very sweet and delicious if you harvest them when they are ripe like this. So just wanna show you the raspberries that I have, and we're gonna start harvesting them. So like you see, they're ripe like these, like that. When it's very ripe like these, it tastes delicious. Let me tell you, look at this. This is huge. So when it's ripe like this, it tastes delicious. Tastes awesome. You can wash it before you eat it, but it's clean, it's nice. I just eat it like that. Oh my God, it tastes so good. tastes so good. Mmm. See? Get fresh, organic raspberries. Tastes awesome. Mmm. Growing your own raspberries like this saves you a lot of money. So you can get raspberries anytime you want. You can also, if you have a lot like I do right now, you can freeze them and use them for making smoothies and other stuff. So definitely great fruit to plant and to grow because it's very nutritious and it has a lot of value in terms of what it provides to the body, and you're able to get fruits anytime you want without really spending any money on it. So also, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'll try to answer as many questions as possible. As you see, look at the amount of raspberries. Let me show you over here. Let me show you my bucket. Look at the amount of raspberries I got.
So this is what I
That's like a pound or more of raspberries just for one day. 2-3 days ago I harvested like twice this size because I didn't harvest it for a couple of days, and I harvested like twice this quantity right here. So this is a lot of raspberries. I'm gonna eat some and I'm gonna save some in the refrigerator, and the rest I'm just gonna freeze it so that way later on when the season is over I can still enjoy raspberries. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you find this video informative, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.